Some of us drive past it every day, others every week or even once a month. But most of us don't even realize what whizzes past us in that blink of the eye. A quiet little village by a big, bustling highway. An inconspicuous hamlet on the road to and from our lives. Nouvet, the village known for a lot of things, but mainly its community, peacefulness and history. Now the one thing many recall and recognize is the chapel, which was elevated as a church. A church that almost acts as a beacon, with its gleaming white facade along the National Highway 17. This small structure serves as the parish church to over 15,000 people. But given its age-old planning as a family's private chapel, it sadly does not possess the space to accommodate them all. So in an effort to expand the church and house more parishioners, the committee organized a 3-day fundraiser fest called the Nouvet Parish Festival 2016. Joining hands with the committee in this incredible initiative was Leading Hotels, who, through its corporate social responsibility, sponsored the entire event. Now, for those of you that missed out on it all, here's a sneak peek into everything that delighted and entertained the crowds that came.
स्वागत करते हम स्वागत करते हम दिल से सबका स्वागत हम करते हैं
स्वागत करते हम स्वागत करते हम दिल से सबका स्वागत हम करते हैं स्वागत करते हम स्वागत करते हम.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again on stage we have the Nightingale of Goa, Lorna, all set to enthrall you.
तुझे भी तो रिगोइला काळजार खातून उतरा तुझी दोन्या मोनात गुंतून चुरचुरे मोशे केले ना तुवें मागून आता जोड मोठाय कित्याक तूं रोटाय मोजे चिंतून fuga tu zaina ka bestoć corona ka maka ke lain purore dosira gan corina paso dos keinaka Devan mokshilamaka Sorga rajan asare Foko lautan duka Saku dordi lole vati peton rozarami ke lole ukarato mudi tu engat leli sobine don sandun tu geloi hazaroi zaloi maka foto fuga tu zaina kan esto corona kan maka kelai tempuro re tu siriagan corina kan moja paso dus keina kan evan mokshilamaka sorga raja nawasare fokot rautan tumkan Kandhar korun dismo je sarta cintun moga no shibak rota Karzan tanmo hello Jurame ilo Agba duen kelo Karzag topo ilalo Molbai name ketra Zaleli jura Zauchi noi muriami Ketna separa Kira mokori, kormaka vengendori, atarotta auduka chozori, kidle kalizini bor, icon kovo, zane munon maka, zale zobo. Kitile, Kalizini boy.
Hotels, developing sustainable tourism at Tiracol.
आमच्या क्षेत्रात कसं आता वर्षा असं छोटा मोगा जेवता सो आता कोण तो सो यो यो मोगा मोगा गोपाल दुरुगा शेतात तुका यो यो मोगा मोगा गोपाल दुरुगा शेतात तुका ला 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 la 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 la